Two angles are called complementary angles if the sum of their degree measurement is equal to 90 degrees. Ngayon sa ating given na figures, gawin natin itong given number 1, ang angle ABD ay may missing yung hanapin natin yung value of x. Yung angle na DBC ang given ay 60 degree. So, ang gagawin natin, sulat natin yung equation dito. X plus 60 equals 90 degree. Yung 60 ating transpose sa kabila. So, mula sa positive ay magiging negative yung kanyang sign. Okay? So, isolate lamang itong x. That is x equals, subtract natin, 90 minus 60. That is 30 degree. So, ito ang value ng x equals 30 degree. Number 2 is your turn. Comment your answer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more updates.